On this quick video, let me share with you how you can have $1,000 plus days with affiliate marketing. So if you stick around until the end of this quick video, you'll know exactly what to do to go about getting these kind of results. So if it's your first time on one of my videos or on my channel, I invite you to subscribe to my channel by hitting the big red button right now, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications for as soon as I upload new videos. My channel is all about affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home, entrepreneurship, and marketing. So, this is why I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you watch one of my videos before, or if it's another time that you're getting on my channel, well, welcome back. All right. So how do you go about making $1,000 plus per day with affiliate marketing? Well, this is exactly what this video is all about. So let's jump right into it right now. So let me give you a quick example by going over to ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the most popular websites to go to when it comes to affiliate marketing, because you can get up and running very quickly to get a link to start promoting a specific product. All right. So if we go on, there's different niches that you can choose from, and you can go in the categories here. So let's choose e-business and e-marketing. Okay. We're going to click on that. And what you're going to want to do, now you see here that, there's a bunch of other products that are listed right here, but let's go in advanced search. So you're going to click on advanced search, and you're going to scroll down where it says initial sale amount. You're going to click on it, and you're going to put higher than 500. Okay. So we're going to search for products where the initial sale is higher than 500. So you're going to click on search. And there you go. It's going to show you all the products that the initial sale is higher than $500. So you see right here, this product is membership method. The average initial sale is $760. So just imagine one day you go out and you share this with two people that buys, that's you're well over $1,000 with affiliate marketing with this, right? So this is one of the ways that you can go about it in the event that you look for higher ticket items to sell as an affiliate in the e-business, e-marketing niche, right? So there's another product that I would recommend, or another affiliate platform that I would recommend, and it's the one through the link that I put underneath this video in the description box. That's my #1 recommendation, in something that you can have in place that can give you $1,000 plus days online. And I teach a proven method there to get results without spending any money on paid advertising. So just imagine having 4-figure days online without spending any money on paid advertising. And when you get on that affiliate platform through my link, then I can show you that proven method, right? But there's something important that I want to share with you, and I want to share this on the screen right now, is your way to go about generating higher ticket sales is going to have to be smart, right? Because, usually if you have higher ticket items that you sell as an affiliate, if somebody goes to your link or sees your opportunity or the product that you're selling for the first time, a lot of them are not going to buy right away, especially if it's going to be a higher ticket item. So what is absolutely crucial and important for you to do is, say that you have your sales page right here. Oh, okay. So say that you have your sales page right here, okay, for your higher ticket item. Okay, so usually you have like a video here, right? And then you have some writing, and then you have a button here to buy, right? So this is usually where you would send, this would be your affiliate link right here. Whoops. So this would be your affiliate link. Okay, I'm just gonna put AL right here. So usually, if you want to be smart with this, usually you're going to get some traffic from, say, Facebook, or with solo ads, or YouTube, right? And then you're going to send people to this right here. But what's smarter to do is, before anybody checks out the information, is that you're going to have to collect some of their information, okay? So you're going to have a headline here that would match the one that would be here, right? So headline, I'm going to put headline here. So that headline that you would have on this page right here, which we would call an opt-in page, okay? So let's just put right here, because my face is right here. So opt-in page, I'm just gonna put OP, and usually you have a field right here where you collect somebody's email, and then you have a button here. And to increase your conversions, you would have something that would say, yes, where would I send the information, or yes, let me see the video. Like, for example, free video reveals XYZ, right? And then you would put, yes, let me see this video, by them putting their email address there. And then when they put their email address there, in the back end, okay, you send them follow-up emails, and the first email that you would send to them would send them back to this page right here. Then you would send them another email in the event that they don't buy it, right? Then that email would send them to this page again, maybe a third one, right? And they would send them to this one. But you would also, you know, increase the amount of value that you share with them with the topic or the niche that you're talking about, and specifically about the product that you're promoting. And you know, this is why, you know, it would be important for you to structure it like this, to have an opt-in page in front of that sales page, right? So that you can do also follow-ups in the back end with email marketing. This is how you should go about it to be very smart. And this is how you can have $1,000 plus days with affiliate marketing when done the right way. All right, so hopefully you got some value with this. I don't want to go into too much details with this. You know, I do some teachings, and when it comes to my inner circles, I go in depth when it comes to the strategies right there. There's stuff that you can add to this to make it even better. But I just wanted to share this with you so that you can understand the concept and how effective it could be in the event that you're building your email list over time to build your momentum as an affiliate marketer. All right, so hopefully you got some value from this. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and if you have any questions or concerns, you can also go ahead and leave me a comment below where I need this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I talk all about affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home, entrepreneurship, and marketing tools that you can use to effectively market online. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications for when I upload new videos, because I want to be consistent and I don't want you to miss out on any of the content that I'm going to upload on a weekly and most oftenly on a daily basis. All right, and also I left my #1 recommendation of the affiliate platform to use if you want to have $1,000 plus days online as an affiliate. You can find that right underneath this video in the description box, and you're gonna get some details on exactly what's going on inside of my in my current marketing group. All right, so with that said, I'm signing out. This was Billy Inelus here, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.